Do you want daily Bitcoin payouts without running a loud and expensive rig? Today, we'll explore how to achieve exactly that. Welcome to GoMining 101. In this video, I'll show you how GoMining's digital miners work, what terahashes and watt per terahash mean, and how maintenance fees and discounts change your net profits. We will also have a quick walkthrough to get from zero to owning your first miner, and finally talk about some potential risks to watch out for. So what is GoMining? GoMining sells digital miners, unique NFTs that represent hosted Bitcoin hash rate in external data centers. The advantage is that you don't need to manage any complex hardware yourself. Rewards from the mining pool are then automatically sent to you as daily payouts. You can always resell your digital miner on the marketplace at a later date if choosing to do so. Terahashes and watt per terahash explained. Two numbers drive outcomes. Terahashes, or simply TH, is your mining power. More power, more Bitcoin mined. Watt per terahash is the energy efficiency. Lower values means less electricity used per unit of power, so less fees deducted from your gross rewards. Both elements can be upgraded over time. Let's see an example now. Let's consider two miners having 16 terahashes of power each and no maintenance discount. Bitcoin price and mining difficulty are also the same. At 20 watt per terahash, miner A gets a pool reward of $259.24 per year and pays $180.13 in maintenance for a net reward of $79.11. At 15 watt per terahash, miner B gets the same pool reward of $259.24 per year, but only pays $147.28 in maintenance for a net reward of $111.96. Over 40% more in comparison. Maintenance fees and discounts. Maintenance combines electricity and service costs, and it's subtracted from your daily rewards. If you pay maintenance using GoMining tokens instead of Bitcoin, you can unlock discounts up to 20% depending on how many tokens you save up. The maximum is achieved at around 378 days. However, this is not the only way to save on maintenance. Leave a like and subscribe if you would like to know more in upcoming videos. Let's also take a look at this with an example. Let's consider miner B again from before. We already saw that when paying the maintenance in Bitcoin, the total amount paid in fees is $147.28 for a net reward of $111.96. However, when choosing to pay the maintenance in GoMining tokens instead, the fee amount is lowered to just $115.86 for a net reward of $143.38 per year, a whopping 28% higher than before, and without the need to spend for any upgrade. Sounds like a very good deal to me. How to buy your first miner. Before jumping straight into the next section, I will invite you to use my direct referral link when signing up for GoMining. By doing so, you will receive an additional 5% bonus in mining power for free when buying your first miner. At the same time, I will also be rewarded for inviting you to join. You can find my unique link in the pinned comment down below. Thank you in advance if you decide to use it when joining. Let's go through the basics together. First, go to the My Miners section of the app. Then, tap on Create Miner. Here you can choose to make a one-time purchase or subscribe for monthly upgrades. Let's scroll down and choose Custom to personalize our selection. Now you can choose the power you would like your miner to start at. Remember, you can always upgrade your terahashes later on again if wishing to improve your machine. Now select your efficiency. The lower the number, the more expensive the initial purchase will be. However, your ROI will be better, as previously discussed. Take a look at the estimated profit section to get a quick overview of your miner potentials. Here, you can see estimates for daily, monthly, and yearly returns. You can also check your potential returns at different Bitcoin price points and the different maintenance costs paid when using GoMining tokens with the additional 20% discount. Finally, remember to use your promo code before checkout to enjoy your complimentary 5% bonus in mining power. The last step is to select your preferred payment method and proceed to payment. Congratulations! You just purchased your first miner. Let's explore some potential risks with GoMining. Despite the good opportunity offered by GoMining, it is also important to keep in mind a few things about this ecosystem. First of all, you must understand that returns are not fixed, but rather depend on a number of variables such as Bitcoin price fluctuations, network mining difficulty, and maintenance costs. Avoid over-leveraging and expect variability in daily payouts. And remember, always do your own research and take financial decisions that best fit your situation. That's it for today. You now know what GoMining is, how terahashes and watt per terahash shape your results, how maintenance and discounts affect your net rewards, and the core risks too. If you have any question, feel free to drop them below, and I will be more than happy to help you the best I can. Happy mining and see you soon!